Good evening, Ton enthusiasts. I'm Tonio, and this is your premier source for the latest developments in the Ton blockchain ecosystem. Let's delve into the exciting updates we have this week. Starting off strong, ddust.io announces an impressive liquidity incentivization program with 1.3 million tons set to be distributed through LP boosts over the next month. This initiative aims to maintain attractive APRs through the end of 2024. In wallet news, Trust Wallet now supports Notcoin and all Ton Jettons, enhancing your ability to manage these assets directly from the app. StonFi continues to break records, now surpassing $300 million in total value locked, accounting for about 40% of the Ton blockchain's TVL. This milestone solidifies its position as a leader in the ecosystem. OKX sets a new standard by becoming the first crypto exchange to offer zero-fee USDT withdrawals on the Ton blockchain, promoting seamless and cost-effective transactions. A strategic partnership between Animoca Brands Mochaverse and the Ton Foundation has created a $20 million token reserve to boost developer engagement in Web3 through social casual gaming and sports. This week in Ton Culture Kings, we spotlight Hydra, a meme coin project that simplifies interactions with the Ton blockchain and revitalizes the NFT market with unique farming mechanics. Despite being a dog lover, Pavel Durov praises Catizen, a Telegram mini-game beloved by the platform's largest community of cat enthusiasts. Catizen boasts 26 million players, has generated $16 million from in-app purchases, donates 1% of its earnings to stray cat rescue, and introduces millions to blockchain with Ton-based smart contracts. TonUp celebrates the successful completion of the Boom IDO, with the token maintaining a value above its IDO price since its listing on BitJet. A total of 14,070 Ton was raised during this event. In a major development for Ton DeFi, Bitcoin will now be available as an on-chain asset thanks to the EVA protocol. This integration not only boosts liquidity, but also allows Bitcoin to be used as collateral, unlocking new financial opportunities for Ton users. And some exciting news for JVT token holders. The token is now listed on CoinMarketCap. This listing provides investors with reliable data on price dynamics and market movements, essential for informed trading decisions. BitJet has taken an innovative step by introducing pre-market trading for the Catizen token, Caddy. This allows traders to get a head start on transactions before the token officially hits the spot markets, highlighting the growing investor interest in Ton-based projects. In other news, EVA continues to make waves in the DeFi sector, now featured on DApp Radar, where it ranks impressively in global DeFi listings. This recognition underscores its role as a pivotal player in the Ton ecosystem. Lastly, the Ton Core team and TonKeeper have launched the W5 Smart Wallet, enabling gasless transactions on the Ton network. This innovative wallet allows for up to 255 simultaneous transfers and simplifies asset management, akin to texting on Telegram. It supports USDT for gas fees on USDT transactions and not for sending NOT. Thanks for watching our Ton blockchain roundup. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.